Choose your bed. This, a cloud of pure, unspun wool. Or the one carved from solid granite.
Ah! Oh, my back. That is a rock.
Yeah, I'm going with the wool.
Choose your bed. Oh, this one is like a hug from a cloud. Ow. Whoa. Okay, yeah, that's rock solid. Your call.
Choose your bed. Nope.
Choose your bed. Option 1, the sweater bed. Look at this. Giant cable knit everywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cozy. Or you could go for the marble mattress. Whew! That's cold. Nope. I'm good, thanks.